end-to-end combination of our AI, software, and hardware. We're building on Google's deep expertise in computational photography. Perhaps the most obvious way it comes to life is with HDR+. When we introduced zero shutter lag HDR+ on the first Pixel, it blew away traditional HDR methods, and we're still the only ones to use this method. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful. This technology is generations ahead of other smartphones. And all of this is happening on device. Pixel Visual Core is our custom-designed imaging chip that takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data centers and puts it on your phone. We built Pixel Visual Core into Pixel 3, making the camera even faster and smarter to power new computationally intensive features.
No matter how great your camera is at capturing the finest details and reproducing the colors, you can still miss the perfect shot if you don't hit the shutter at exactly the right moment. Top Shot solves that problem. Let's check it out.
All right, come on, girls, get together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ready?
Let me try again.
Ready?
Let me try.
Sorry, bro.
Think of all we had before.
Oh, let's get a group photo.
Let me
Ready?
try once more.
Oh, you're not getting that.
We can have it all. You and I again.
One tip and cheese.
Let me try again.
Pixel 3's camera is smart enough to know a good photo when it sees it. Life's best moments aren't always perfectly lit. A party, a campfire with your friends, one last shot before the bar closes. The typical solution for low-light settings is the flash, which makes a big scene, blinds your friends, and leaves you with an unnatural-looking photo with uneven exposures and shadows. Night sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look. In extreme low light, we turn to machine learning to choose the right colors based on the content of the image. These shots are completely untouched. Night sight makes Pixel the best low-light smartphone camera. It's coming next month to Pixel 3 and our other Pixels as well.
You might have noticed the second camera on the front of the phone. Let's see what it does.
Are you ready to take a selfie? Here we go. Wait.
Move your head towards mine.
Scoot over, scoot over. My arm's not long enough, guys.
Get in.
Boys, we gotta back up just a little bit. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stay in the frame. Stay in the frame. Willow, just stay in the frame. Guess where I am.
Oh, did you see that?
Move your arm. We're not gonna fit. We're not gonna both fit. Just move your arm. Move your arm. Let's move over.
Hey, Mitch, could you scooch in? I'm trying to take a selfie.
Oh, wait, one sec. All right, 3, 2, 1. Smile!
Pixel users tend to get drafted as the official photographer, including for group selfies, and we want to help them be great at their job. So we added a second camera on the front that captures 184% more of the scene than iPhone XS. Now you can fit everyone in the shot without a selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. You aren't just getting more people in the frame, you're getting more details, more scenery, more of a story.
For photos and selfies with even more story, we've got you covered. We've evolved AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras. We've got lots of new content and characters, including the Avengers, in celebration of Marvel Studios' 10-year anniversary. These characters are rendered to feel lifelike in the scene, and they even interact with each other. Characters can now also respond to your actions and facial expressions. They look like they're really in the scene with you, for even more playful photos and videos. And here's a sneak peek at the childish Gambino character we're working on with Donald Glover. Coming soon to Playground and exclusively to Pixel. Sorry, got a little excited there. Playground is launching on Pixel